Hello everyone, let's have a quick run through the charts. So I did not get filled on my Bitcoin long orders down here and the liquidity was tapped once already. I'm still keeping the orders in the system in case we get a retrace from here. I mean, Bitcoin after the liquidity tap has been consolidating. It's either going to do this move and then run back up higher. And if that's the case, I think this will be broken and flipped the next time, and then maybe continuation towards 32.5, 33k. And if it just is gonna break and flip this 31,170 level, then I will have to look for buy orders, buy opportunities higher up. But for now, I'm still patiently waiting down here. ETH is holding 1,850 quite nicely, and just a second. Let me see what the ATMA is doing. Yeah, has been holding the ATMA too, but for now I'll just keep my buy orders down here, and because if Bitcoin corrects down to the area which I had marked and where I placed my buy orders, I think the ETH orders should also fill, and from there we will see. For now we can have an eye or keep an eye on the wicks up here. So if price breaks through the wicks, I think a lot of short liquidity or short stop losses have been accumulating here, and if that gets grabbed, then we have to see the reaction, if it will continue just further up, or if we will get the correction after that and get filled on our buy orders. For now it's just a wait and see game. ADA, so ADA failed the breakout. As I mentioned last week, I'm already out of my short. In hindsight, okay, I exited around 28.6, I think, and now it's a little lower, but either way, until the 30 cents level is flipped, I'm not interested in longs anymore. Or if we get another revisit of this lower level here around the wick, maybe all the way to the bottom, maybe just around half the wick, but at around 24 cents I would be interested in longs as well. So I will set an alert right there and just wait until either of these alerts gets triggered, and then we will see what's going on. BNB, so I had set one short order at $257 dollars, which hit on Binance, but unfortunately I'm not trading on Binance, so on my exchange it did not get filled. If you got filled on your short, congratulations. I think moving the stop loss to break even now is good, because price has already dropped sufficiently, and it's now just a waiting game. Partial profits can also be taken, because it's already like 50% down to our goal, and then we will see. Next, waiting for the longs down here, and let me set an alert for that too, and then we will see once these get triggered. APE is on its way to the area where I have my short orders placed. I mean, the high wicks on the top, I think a lot of, I don't know, liquidity is already getting distributed here. Yeah, selling is taking place, so I do not know if I still want to short it once it reaches this place. I have to see what the price action will be like. I think for now I'll just take my orders out of the system and then wait and see. Yeah, AVAX, yeah, AVAX same as ADA, so did not manage to break through and flip the key level or the key area I've been watching. So it's just kind of doing a U-turn right now. I'll see. We set alerts down here and up there, and then we will see. It's just been a slow last few days, especially in Asia. Not much is happening during the Asia trading sessions, so not much to update. Yeah, I did the right choice when I TP'd my EGLD while it was barely in profit, because as I said, the strength was a little more than I wanted to see, so that was the right choice. Obviously this one is not gonna be working out anymore. Right now, not interested in any EGLD positions. I mean, if you want to long, then a retest of this area, maybe the gap here a little lower. Yeah, so between $31 and $32.36, long entries could be taken, and then probably it's fair to aim at the liquidity above these relative equal highs, and but I do not see like alts taking off 24 or 25% all of a sudden, especially not in one day. But there's always the possibility. So areas for longs would be the $31-32 area, stop loss just under these wicks here, because I don't think there will be another sweep. It already got pretty much to the low point. At this point, it's more likely that price will dip into this fair value gap and then revert to the upside from there. But I'm not going to enter this long. Phantom is already actually looking better than AVAX and ADA. It is in the process of retesting the resistance for support, and we will see. Maybe I'll set myself an alert on this one, and if it breaches 31.5, then I'll keep an eye on candle closes. These wicks do not matter to me, but the candle closes will be what's going to be telling to me that the flip could be real, and continuation towards these wicks over here. I mean, there is liquidity above these. That's where I would aim, and a little bit higher in this area. But first we have to see this area, the 31.315 area flipped, and then I will look for longs. We can get rid of these now. MATIC, yeah, I mean, I've moved my stop loss to break even, as I mentioned in the last update, and since then, I mean, we could argue that this is like a bull flag. So a lot of short stops are probably in the area where I have mine placed, but at this point I'll just stick to it. You can always take partial profits if you also entered a short to secure at least some of the profits, but I still think another drop could be in the cards, especially if the Bitcoin scenario I mentioned or I'm looking for plays out, it will take the alts down into these regions too. So maybe you could already TP like here. I think I'll either TP at around 56 cents, or maybe even a little higher at 59. Maybe TP1 at 59 cents and then TP2 at 56 cents or so. The position is risk-free, so at this point, yeah, we are flexible. XRP, XRP has dropped out of the bear flag, did not do a bearish retest yet, but this whole area could be turning into resistance, so I'll keep an eye on that. Maybe narrow this down a little bit. So I would definitely keep an eye on the retest of 49 cents to 50 cents, and if it rejects there again, then probably we are going to grab the sell side liquidity either down here, it actually should be under the wicks a little bit, towards 40 cents, or just another retest of this low and then make equal lows at around 45.6. Either way, for now the bullishness seems to have faded for XRP. I mean, if there is like a positive result of the case, it can always shoot up. Then it will not care about technicals at all. But for now, the path to the downside looks clearer to me than to the upside. Alright, that's it for today, and see you again in the next update. Bye.